Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your likes, for your comments. Do well to share my video, and don't forget to subscribe for those coming in newly, so that whenever I post, you'll be the first to see my video. So today we are going to do something simple. Yes, do it yourself class, as you know. So something you can do on your own by yourself. Okay, now we want to use this Aso-Oke to tie a simple turban style. You can use it to, if you don't like all these big, gele stuff, you just want something simple and nice. So I've already done my pleats. I have like 5 pleats here. You can do 6. No. So you bring it, make sure you arrange your pleats very well. That is the beauty of it. Make sure you arrange. Then you bring, first of all, bring one of this forward. Just bring it forward. So you take the other one too. You bring the other one forward too. It's simple, very simple, very, very simple and nice. So you bring it back. So this one, this here, you can put it in or you use your pin. So I want to make use of my pin to tack it, so that it will not pull off. You might decide to tuck it in, whichever one. So just make sure you cover your, you can add maybe just 1 or 2 pleats. Oh, okay. And just add 1 or 2 pleats. Just tuck it in. I've already. So just arrange the back and use your pin to hold it down. Use your pin. So just try and adjust. Adjust it. It's something very simple. So you can cover the back side or you leave it open. So when you are through here, just make sure the pleats are lined. Then you now pull it to your hairline, where your hairline starts, and you are good to go. So it's very, very simple and nice. So this is how you can tie your Aso-Oke. Yes, you can tie your Aso-Oke to get a simple turban style. If you feel like you don't want to use your normal turban, you can use your Aso-Oke to do that, and it will give you this. So thank you very much for subscribing. Do well to share, to like, and to comment. So till we meet again, bye.